Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Today, if we're being frank, it's kind of been a weird weather day. We were expecting rain to move in early this morning, and the rain kind of fizzled out before it got to the Rogue Valley. And now there's just kind of a hodgepodge of weather right now. We have very blue and sunny skies in Northern California and Chiloquin, and then kind of overcast skies in the Rogue Valley and along the coast, even though some sun is peeking through those clouds along the coast, and we're seeing pretty cold temperatures. We are in the 50s across the board. So STORMCAST is showing you that even though we didn't get as much rain as we were expecting this morning, another round of showers is going to move through this evening. And as this pushes into the Cascades, this will start to transition into snow. This is midnight tonight, and you can see a messy scene across Josephine, Curry, Jackson, even getting into Klamath counties. And this will persist throughout tomorrow morning, mainly in the basin and along the coast. And whatever's left over in the basin will still be snow by this point. And then we're expecting another round of snow showers to affect the Great Basin as we head into the evening. But then once we get into the late evening, well, that's all she wrote for this storm system. We should dry out by then. Here's a look at snow levels as we head into Monday morning. They're going to drop all the way down to 3,000 feet, so we're expecting snow in the terrain above that. And we're even expecting some accumulations. The peaks of the Cascades could get up to 3 inches. The lower elevations will probably receive less than 1 inch, but we could have a nice little dusting on Mount McLaughlin, on Mount Ashland, and even a nice little dusting up towards Crater Lake as well. Also, Mount Shasta will get in on the fun. So for tonight, some rain still left over, snow mixing into the Cascades. It'll be another very cold night to the east of the Cascades. Look at that, getting down into the 20s at Crater Lake, Klamath Falls, and into Lakeview. It'll still be chilly in our west side valleys. We'll be in the 30s and 40s, and we'll also be in the 40s along the coast there in Brookings. And those winds, they could gust up to 20 miles per hour overnight. As you're heading to class tomorrow morning, be sure you have layers upon layers, especially in the mountains and in the basin. And in the basin, we could still have some snow lingering, maybe a few flurries in the mountains, and rain will linger along the coast. But overall, the big story is just going to be how cold we're going to be tomorrow morning. And we're going to be chilly tomorrow afternoon as well. Look at this, not even making it out of the 50s in the west side valleys and along the coast, not even making it out of the 40s and 30s in the basin. And it's going to feel even colder. We're going to have wind chill values probably getting down into the 30s because of how breezy we're going to be. Those winds could gust between 35 to 40 miles per hour in the coast in Siskiyou County and on the east side. Now, taking a look ahead to Monday night going into Tuesday morning, we have freeze watches in place for Curry, Josephine, Jackson, and west central Siskiyou counties. Those lows could get into the 20s and 30s. Widespread frost is expected, so be sure you are taking precautions to protect outdoor plumbing, sensitive vegetation, and outdoor pets. So here's your 7-day forecast. Showers linger tomorrow along the coast. We have another system moving through on Wednesday. That's going to bring some pretty substantial rain chances, not only to the coast, but also to Northern California as well, where temperatures are going to dip below freezing. So that means that we could see some more snow mixing in, including in the basin and in the Cascades as we head into Wednesday. But first, we have to get through this system. Some flurries could still remain in the mountains tomorrow. But again, the big story as we move forward is going to be those cold temperatures. And then in the Rogue Valley, clearing out tomorrow will be pretty clear by the time we get to Tuesday as well. But the next storm system moves through on Wednesday.